Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my braid station tour and how I set it up in my house. I have it in my dining room area, and as you can see I just have a salon chair and a mat, which is really good for those long days. I do notice the difference. And then I have this cube station, 4 little cubbies. Got it from Target, and on the bottom left is where I have my junk drawer, my barbicide, Clorox wipes, as well as leftover hair. I try to only keep full packs because otherwise you can accumulate hair quickly. Tissue from when we watch This Is Us, not for when you're sick because you're going to cancel, but yeah, that's important. And then this top right cubby, this is where I have the important stuff. So my tea kettle, which is really important for braiders, it's like a must-have. My clean implements, as well as my Ziploc bag for the dirty ones, wrapping strips, bobby pins, braid accessories. Sometimes I'll have clients have things that are left over and they'll kindly give them to me. I have edge control always. Braid spray, which is a must. It's a good finishing touch, and it's very lightweight as well. A mousse, this is what I'll use after box braids for any like frizzies, nice finishing touch. But the wrapping mousse is for feeding cornrows, and I'll wrap it with the strips, put you under the dryer, and sometimes I'll use spritz for the edges, as well as a hairspray, which will take away any like shiny or greasiness. And it also depends on the edge control you use, but my favorite is the Vontae Silk Effects, Edge Effects, I think. And sometimes I'll have the locking gel in case I need to use that if I run out of edge control. And then there's my full-length mirror, which I love, got from Kirklands for like $80, which is really good. My lantern, got it from IKEA. It's a nice little touch for when I don't have clients, and makes it look more homey. My floating shelves are from Target, and it'll eventually have my cosmetology license when I get it. But otherwise, yeah, it's just nice and simple, real easy. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching.